Prime Minister Modi, currently on a 3-day visit to the United States. He's attended the 4th Quad Summit with key leaders, including Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese, Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida, US President Joe Biden, and of course Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. Here's what happened at that summit. Let's listen in.
The outcome?
Dialogue.
हमारा मैसेज साफ है. क्वाड is here to stay, to assist, to partner and to complement.
Diplomacy. Dosti. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 3-day trip to the United States underscores the significance of the Quad alliance amid rising global tensions and conflicts. While attending the 4th Quad Summit, Modi engaged with Quad leaders, Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese, Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida, and US President Joe Biden. During the summit, Modi emphasized the Quad's commitment, highlighting the priority of a free, open and prosperous Indo-Pacific.
Free, open, inclusive और prosperous Indo-Pacific हमारी साझा प्राथमिकता और साझा प्रतिबद्धता है. हमारा मैसेज साफ है. क्वाड is here to stay, to assist, to partner and to complement.
President Biden said that this will be an organization or an alliance that is here to stay. So did Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister Modi also mentioned the fact that the Quad is not working against anybody. In fact, it is working for the world to get solutions and for the betterment of the world. After the Quad Summit, the Prime Minister then made his way to the Cancer Moonshot event again here in Delaware.
Leaders have praised Modi's leadership, with President Biden noting that United States can learn from India's experience. Prime Minister Kishida has expressed support for Modi's initiative regarding the voice of the Global South, while Prime Minister Albanese recognized India as the predominant power in the Indian Ocean. Ahead of the Quad Summit, Modi also held bilateral talks with Biden at his Greenville residence in Wilmington, Delaware. Discussions were focused around ways to deepen India-US ties. They also exchanged views on global and regional issues. Biden patted the next host, Prime Minister Modi, as India is all set to host the next Quad meeting next year.
The outcome?
On the sidelines of the Quad Leaders Summit in Wilmington, Delaware. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a $7.5 million support package for sampling kits, detection kits and vaccines to assist nations in combating cervical cancer. This announcement was made during the Quad Cancer Moonshot event hosted by US President Joe Biden.
मुझे खुशी है कि क्वाड में हमने सर्वाइकल कैंसर जैसे चैलेंज का मिलकर सामना करने का निर्णय लिया है. कोलैबोरेशन is essential for cure.
Every year, 150,000 women die from cervical cancer in the Indo-Pacific. Every year. That's more than double the population of this city. We can't and will not let that continue. In practice, the Quad Cancer Moonshot means more collaboration between our hospitals, research centers, and cancer foundations.
This is Modi's first visit to the United States since he took oath for the 3rd time. With Rohit Sharma in New York, Bureau Report, India Today.